Now let us start class 10 maths trigonometry exercise 8.3. Here are complementary angles. What are complementary angles? In a right angle triangle, one angle is right angle if this angle is theta, other is 90 minus theta. So, if this angle is theta, then complementary angle will be 90 minus theta. And for complementary angles, you remember some basic things. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Similarly, tan 90 minus theta 90 degree is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. Similarly, sec and cosec. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec and cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. These are the formulae for complementary angles. On the basis of these things, here exercise 8.3 is given to calculate the value of the given thing. Exercise 8.3, question 1. Formulas are there. Formulae. Evaluate. Find the value of first is sin 18 degree upon cos of 72 degree. One is in sin, other is in cos. So, any way you can do. Leave sin 18 as it is. Cos 72 can be written as cos theta. I have said cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So, cos 72 is equal to sin 90 degree minus 72 degree. In numerator is sin 18. By this operation, it comes sin 18 degree. Both are equal, they will cut, and by those value comes 1. Likewise. In second part, tan 26 and cot 64 is given. Similarly, leaves tan 26 in its own form. Cot 64 can be written as tan 90 minus 64. So, both will come tan 26, below also tan 26, will cut and get 1. Here, cos 48 and sin 42 in third part. Its third part is cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. Change anyone, either this or that. So cos 48, suppose we are giving this sin theta. Sin theta is how much? Cos 90 minus theta. So you write cos 90 degree minus 42 degree. So it is cos 48 degree minus cos, this minus this is 48 degree. So both are subtracted and result is 0. Similarly, fourth part also. Cosec and sec are given. Use that formula. Write any value and you will get the value. It is question number 1. Now let us start to question number 2. So that tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67 is 1. many values of tan are given, so that tan 48 degree into no sign is there means multiplication, tan 23 degree into tan of 42 degree into tan of 67 degree, its value is to be proved 1. So what you do, change to either more than 45 or less than. This is less than 45, this is less than. So leave them as it is, change this and this. Tan 48 is cot 90 degree minus 48 degree. Leave tan 23 as it is. Tan 42 also as it is. Tan 67 will be cot 90 degree minus 67 degree. Subtract here, it comes cot 42 degree. Tan 23 degree. Tan 42 degree. And this comes cot 90 minus 67 is this, is 23 degree. Tan theta into cot theta is 1, because tan is 1 upon cot or cot is 1 upon tan. So cot 42 will cut by tan 42, 1 will come. Tan 23 and cot 23 will come again 1. So this is 1 into 1, that is 1. So its value is to be proved 1 and it is proved. Directly proved. This way. Second question of second part is likewise cos 38, cos 52, sin 38, sin 52. Change any either sin or cos. Change cos in sin or sin in cos, you will get 0 to be proved. Thus cos 38 is sin 90 minus 38, that is 52, and cos 52 will be sin 90 minus 52, that is 38. So it comes sin 38 into sin 52 minus sin 38 sin 52, and that will be 0. So only I have told you, you do second part your own. Now I shall proceed to question number 3 of exercise 8.3. NCERT. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is a acute angle, find value of a. Question 3. Complementary angle. If cot 2a is equal to, no, tan 2a is there, sorry. If tan 2a is cot a minus 18, degree, then find the value of a. Use complementary angle tan 2a. Leave as it is. Cot theta, this angle is theta, is tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 degree minus a minus 18 degree. This way. This implies tan 2a is equal to tan of, open the bracket, 90 minus becomes plus. Oh, 90 minus this. Okay. So what comes here? It is 90 plus 18, that is 108 minus 8. Tan is on both sides, so 2a is equal to 108 minus a. Remove the operation, don't cut it. Bring a in this side. 3a is equal to 108 degree or whatever. Therefore, this implies, therefore, a is equal to 108 by 3, that is 36 degree. This is question 3rd of this exercise. It's very simple, so you try to do other sums also. If problem will arise, I shall tell you. Number 4. If tan A is equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is 90. This is very simple. Number 4 is tan A is equal to cot B. In second line, copy the question. Tan A is equal to cot B. In second line, you write tan A, leave tan A. In place of cot B, you write tan 90 minus B. Remove cot. I am doing question 4. Tan A is equal to cot B. This implies leave tan A as it is. Cot can be written as tan 90 degree minus B. On both sides you have tan, so remove it. This implies A is equal to 90 degree minus B. Bring A, B in this side. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 90. It is to be proved. Hence proved. This 4th one. Likewise, sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20. Then change cosec, sec into cosec or cosec into sec, and you will get value of a as you did in question 3. So, it is number 5. Let us proceed. 2 more questions are in this exercise. Number 6 is if A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle, then show that sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. A good question, number 6. Question number 6. It says if A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle, A, B and C, capital A. So A plus B plus C will be 90 degree, because we know in triangle sum of interior angle of the triangle is 90 degree. No, sorry, 180 degree. I'm sorry. Sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is 90 degree. It's or 180 degree. It's half will be 90 degree. So here A by 2 plus B by 2 plus angle C by 2 will be 90 degree. Sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is 2 right angles, means 180 degree. In hurry I said right there 90 degree. So it will be 180 degree. So half A plus half B plus half C, means half of the angles will be 90 degree. It wants B and C in this side. This implies B by 2 plus C by 2, that is B plus C by 2. B by 2 plus C by 2, take LCM. B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus 7. This is case. Now it wants sine. Apply sine here. This implies apply sine on both sides. B plus C by 2. Here also sine will come because you are applying your own, minus A by 2. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sine B plus C by 2. You may put bracket here, no problem. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So it will be cos A by 2, and it is to be proved. Hence proved. It is number 6. Very easy thing. These ABC are angles of a triangle, interior angles. Therefore, it means it gives that their sum is 180 degree. Then prove that sin b plus c by 2 is equal to cos a by 2, which we have proved with the help of complementary angles. Now, one more question is here. I am reading that. If it will be difficult, I shall tell you. If easy, I shall give you a hint and you do your own. Express sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratio of angles between 0 and 45. Means number 7, sin 67, it is more than 45, plus cos of 75 degree. Both are more than 75. It wants that change it into sum of trigonometric ratio less than 45. So sin, in place of sin write cos 90 degree minus 67 degree, and in place of cos write sin, here write 90 degree minus 75 degree. 90 minus 67 becomes how much? When 67 is subtracted from 90, it comes 23 degree. So it becomes cos 23 degree, and sin, when sub 75 is subtracted from 90, it comes 50 degree. And these two angles are less than 45. So we have expressed these given ratio in terms of sum of trigonometric ratios of angle less than 45 degree. Thus this exercise 8.3 is finished. Now one more exercise is there. Exercise 8.4, which is trigonometrical identities. No, madam. Now exercise 8.4, last exercise of this chapter. After this chapter, one more chapter is left, application of trigonometry, that is height and distance. This exercise is based on the formulae which I have given earlier. In between complementary angles exercise was here. So express trigonometric ratio sin a, sec a and tan a in terms of what? Question 1. Sin a, we have to express sin a in terms of cot a. There are 6 ratios: sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. So here we are given sin a. In term of cos a, we have to represent. So sin a is 1 upon cosec a. Why I am doing this cosec? Because cosec is reverse of sin, and cosec is directly related with cot, which is equal to 1 upon, you can write here square root of cosec square a, because root of cosec square a will be cosec a, and one formula is there: cosec square theta or cosec square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a. That is changes to 1 upon root of 1 plus cot square a. The sin a is equal to 1 upon root of 1 plus cot square a. This is the answer. A more knowledge is required to handle these questions. It is a bit difficult. You try to understand. Similarly, question 2 here. No, in question 1, this is first. Second part of this is sec a. sec A. Sec is opposite of cos. Sec is opposite of cos. So, and sec can be written as root of sec square A. Root of sec square A. And sec is what? Root of sec is 1 plus tan square A. This way. Tan is 1 upon cot. So it can be written as 1 plus 1 upon cot square A. Take LCM here. Now first step, second step, third step. Then take here LCM. Take out here in root. Here will be cot square A plus 1 upon cot square A. Root is bigger. So, cot square A's root becomes cot A in denominator, and numerator it becomes 1 plus cot square A. In this way, sec A is represented in this way. Sec is root of sec square A, this is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Tan is 1 upon cot, so 1 plus 1 upon cot square A. By taking LCM, cot square is the LCM, so here cot square A plus 1. So 1 plus cot square A upon square root of cot square will be free from root, so it is cot A. Thus sec A is represented in this way. Third one is to represent tan A. It is simple. Tan A is 1 upon cot. It is very simple. So this was the answer of the answer of third part. So this way any ratio can be represented in the form of any ratio. All are related to each other, but there a better knowledge is required. It is question number 1. I did all the 3 parts to practice, and even one more cosec is there, so cosec can be represented cosec, sec, sin, cos, tan, all are there. What is cot? So no. Any ratio can be represented in the form of other 5 ratios. It is question 1. Question 2. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. Sin A in terms of sec A. Question 2. Sin A is equal to root of, can be write here 1 upon cosec A. That was also wrote cosec A. Cosec can be written as 1 plus cot square A. But it is no problem. Then it becomes cot 1 upon tan. 1 plus tan square will be sec square. Tan will go up, then tan is so better. It is to be in the form of sec A. So better we write sec A. All ratios in terms of sec A. Sin A, better to write 1 minus cot. By that way also you can proceed. Cos is 1 upon sec. So 1 minus 1 upon sec square A. That one becomes left this, so I left that. Now take LCM. here will be sec square A in numerator sec square A minus 1. So root is there because denominator can be made free from root, so here is sec square A minus 1. This is final answer. Sine. Cos A, it is simple, is 1 upon sec. It is first, it is second. Then third is tan A is equal to root of tan square A. And one formula is there, 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So this can be written as sec square A minus 1. So tan also changes in terms of sec square, cos also in sec, and sine also. Then cot. Fourth is cot. Cot A. Cot is 1 upon tan, which is 1 upon tan square, and it becomes 1 upon sec square A minus 1. Just opposite of it. Now sec A is sec A, then cosec A. Fifth one, cosec A. Cosec A is 1 upon sine A. Then write the value of sine A. Sine is 1 upon root of 1 minus cos square A. Cos is 1 upon sec. So 1 minus cos square A, 1 upon sec square A. So here will go sec A, and here will be sec square A minus 1. As we did in first page. So all 5 ratios of angle A can be represented in the form of sec A. Any ratio can be represented in terms of other 5 ratios. A. Practice should be required. Nothing is not hard. It's simple. So it is question number 2. So after this, question number 3. Evaluate. Here is given sine square 63 degree plus sine square 27 degree upon cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Its value is required. First of all, change this 63 and 73 in terms of angle less than 45 degrees. So sine, in place of sine like cos square, sine theta is cos 90 minus theta. So 90 degree minus 63 degree. And leave it as it is. Cos square 70, leave it as it is, and change here. Cos becomes sine square, here write 90 minus 73 degree. So 90 minus 63 is 27. So it becomes cos square 27 degree plus sine square 27 degree upon cos square 17 degree plus here also sine square 90 minus 73 is 17 degree. We know a formula sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore numerator becomes 1, denominator also becomes 1. So this will become 1, and this is answer to the question. Question number 3, it's very simple. Similarly, second part is given. Here sine cos are given. Change a angle which is greater than 45 in less than 45 ratio. So first part will be sine square, sine into sine, second will be cos into cos, and some interesting result will come. So you do yourself. Question 4 has 4 parts and multiple choice questions are given in each part. So I am doing one by one. Then after question 4, a very good thing, a typical identity will come, which will be very important for the preparation of your board examination. Question number 4, part 1. 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A is equal to how much? So here you take 9 common, sec square A minus tan square A. There is a formula, 1 plus tan square theta A is equal to sec square theta. Bring tan in that side, so sec square minus tan square is 1. So in place of this, you can write 1 into that formula and it becomes 9. So see, in multiple choice question here, A is 1, B is 9, C is 8 and D is 0, and our answer comes 9. So tick at the B mark, at the B option. Okay. Similarly, its second part, fourth one, first part is this. Second part of this sum is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta will be equal to how much? 4 options are given here also. You see, we have to multiply these things. When here is cot and cosec and tan and sec. So what to do? Multiply them. 1 into this will be 1 plus cot theta cot